So today we're going to be storing a GMC for Cindy's family, and this thing's cool. This is a full restore with an LS swap in it, so you're going to get to be able to hear this thing start. So they're moving and we're looking for a place to park it, so we're going to put it inside of our future body shop. And it's a great opportunity to see this GMC Jimmy start and run. The gentleman that's working on this is an engineer, just graduated from Oregon State, and super smart. And the conversion he did, the LS that he put in this, is just off the chart professional. So anyway, we're going to get a chance to hear this thing run. So he's been working on the top and building, like welding in a built-in roll bar into the top on this. Been working on it for a couple of years, all the way through his schooling while he was in school. So him and his wife have been working on this. He's got 3 or 4 years into this rig right here, I think. He started on this about the time he started school, I believe, and it's quite a piece. I mean, we went to look, I went over, looked at it with him, and I was completely impressed with the LS swap on this. And maybe we'll see if we can get a quick video on that LS swap too, so you guys can see this thing. But let's hear this. Sounds fantastic. Yeah, you're talking show car quality when he gets done with the top on this and gets it together. A lot of fabrication. He's pretty good at the fabrication stuff, so a lot of work to the body and the panels in it. Listen to this thing, sounds fantastic. Sounds pretty good. And you can have that whole back section. Don't worry about being too close to anything. You can put it in an angle if you want to. Give you some door area. Yeah, if you get over, I can get one more car in here, and that would be awesome. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's all you. You can have the whole area there. That's good. Yeah. So if you don't mind, I'd love to get finish the video out with their LS swap.
Oh yeah, you want to see the engine?
Yeah, because this is with the forum group I have. They are all over this. If you really want to see a swap done correctly, then that's what we're looking at today.
My hood's a little sticky. I was just trying to get it
It's a Chevy, man.
to shut correctly.
Yeah, this thing is of all the swaps and engine swaps, this has got to be the cleanest one I've ever seen. He's got the ECM and everything down in here mounted perfectly. Yeah. This is really nice. When I first looked at it, I didn't even know that there was a swap done on this, but that's awesome. And so here, guys, you can see, how far he's coming along with this thing. Now, you've done some floor pans and stuff in it, right?
Yeah, so all of the down in here, replace the whole rocker, inner and outer, and then behind the panel area, you can move that. That's just the front carpet section.
So the top that you're putting on, are you literally integrating a roll bar into that? Is that what your design is?
Done.
Yeah, that's what I was mentioning in the forum group, is that within the top on this is actually the integrated roll bar.
I'll send you a picture of
Yeah. Okay.
what that looks like
Yeah.
before I put it together.
Yeah. This is show quality for sure. And
I wish I did paint this a little bit better, but that's my only gripe. I had smiling.
well, that's you got time for that. You know, this is the.
Well, and that was the thing is I figure I get the paint on here initially, and then I can fix it later.
Well, when you take it off road, and you won't have to worry about scratching it a little bit, you know, because you want to have some fun with it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, one of the cleanest I've seen, definitely even on the forum group. So.
Yeah, I just cleaned up the firewall too. So
Is this original?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it has the.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna need to do a dual system on that Chevy. It has a single.
Oh yeah.
And I have the master cylinder and everything for it. I just don't know if I need to have something, you know, like a
yeah, those are
proportioning valve or not on the
really
Chevy.
Common. They use them all the way up into the like 80s.
Yeah, okay. Very cool rig. And you don't see GMC Jimmys around much anymore. So, yeah. Of course, you got an engineer, electrical engineer working on it, so you know what you're going to find underneath it. Everybody has their niches, right?
Yeah, it's all custom wiring inside. So none of
You do electric windows too?
No.
No, okay.
So that's actually just my amplifier over there.
Oh, okay.
So I hard mounted that, and then I've got the factory radio, not connected to this at all. This is supposed to be back here. It just came loose while we were moving it.
So factory radio amplified.
No.
Oh.
It's
just for
factory
looks.
radio to a little crappy speaker under
Oh,
there.
okay, okay.
So if I gotta reach under hidden switch here. You're not gonna find that very easily.
Stargazer Career Forest is a meaningful gift can brighten someone's day and have them feel
Quantity AM radio.
Yeah,
too.
yeah. That's cool.
And back here you can just plug in phone. I'll do Bluetooth on that. Then.
Yeah, okay, okay, cool. Wow, very cool. And the speedometer is pretty cool.
Yeah.
They're very cool. All right, well, thank you guys. I mean, I'm glad we can have a place for you.
Yeah.
And we'll see if we can get some updates with it.
So we can use that.
Yeah. Got plenty of room here. All right, cool. Awesome.